Hi, this is Aditya, and today we are sharing the news for the 4th January, continuing the series to help you prepare for WAT and PI to get you into IIMs and top B schools. The actual news articles from which we have taken these key points are listed out at our daily news section in our website. The link for our website is given below. News of the day, 4th January 2024. Vibrant Gujarat Summit. Investment pact worth Rs 7.17 lakh crore signed. India's ISRO to use Elon Musk's SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket to launch GSAT-20 satellite. Deloitte to launch Asia Pacific Center of Excellence for Sustainability and Climate in India. UPI limit extended for payments to hospitals and educational services. India likely to surpass FY24 target for state-run firms' dividends. Vibrant Gujarat Summit. Investment pact worth Rs 7.17 lakh crore signed with companies like HPCL, IOCL, Powergrid. Ahead of the Vibrant Gujarat Summit, the state has signed investments pact worth Rs 7.17 lakh crore with companies like HPCL, IOCL, and Powergrid. According to Gujarat's Information Department, 234 MOUs, that is Memorandum of Understanding, have been signed with a potential investment of 10.31 lakh crore. The Vibrant Gujarat Summit will be held between January 10 and 12, 2024. This is the 10th edition of the summit, and the Prime Minister is expected to inaugurate the summit. Organizers are expecting around 100 companies to participate in the summit. The announcement about the manufacturing plant of Tesla is expected to be announced at the summit. India's ISRO to use Elon Musk's SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket to launch GSAT-20 satellite. The Indian Space Research Organization is ready to launch its communication satellite GSAT-20, an initiative marking India's entry into a new era of satellite technology. India continues to work on a rocket capable of lifting payloads above 4 tons. Since the satellite weighs 4,700 kilograms, GSAT-20 will be facilitated with Elon Musk's SpaceX. This satellite boasts 32 beams offering pan-India coverage, extending its reach even to remote territories. India is working on its semi-cryogenic engine, which is crucial for rockets to carry over 4-ton payloads. Deloitte to launch Asia Pacific Center of Excellence for Sustainability and Climate in India. Deloitte is launching its Asia Pacific COE, that is also known as Center of Excellence, to accelerate efforts on emerging sustainability and climate issues. It is designed to foster innovation and cross functional synergy among experts from various fields to deliver solutions to address the challenges of a rapidly changing world. Deloitte has changed hands with IIT Roorkee to build a bridge between industry and academia to enhance skill set development through research and course. While it is based in India, the COE will support clients and organizations across Asia Pacific. UPI limit for payments to hospitals and educational services increased to Rs 5 lakhs. When is this applicable? Reserve Bank of India announced that the transaction limit to Rs 5 lakh for UPI payments to hospitals and educational institutions. NPCI has asked banks, payment services providers, and APs to make it available from Jan 10, 2024. For normal UPI transactions, the transactional limit is Rs 1 lakh per transaction. For specific categories like capital market, collections, insurance, and foreign inward remittances, the limit is up to Rs 2 lakh. For initial public offering and retail direct scheme, the limit is up to Rs 5 lakh per transaction. In 2023, UPI handled 117.6 billion transactions in total. India likely to surpass FY24 target for state-run firms dividends by at least $1.4 billion. The Indian government will likely exceed its fiscal year target for dividends from state-run companies by at least 120 billion rupees. The government's target was 430 billion rupees, and the dividend receipts could range from 550 billion to 600 billion rupees. The high dividend will partly offset the shortfall in the government's revenue from the sale of equity in state-run enterprises. Indian government collected 14.36 trillion rupees as net tax revenue in April to November. We will be putting up more videos for colleges with various percentiles, VAT, and personal interview. B School deadlines are much more content on our YouTube channel. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications. Do like the video if you found it helpful. Thank you and good luck.